Hey guys, I just want to do an update on the rack. I got some heat cable, and as you can see on this shelf, it's just got a little groove coming up. Show you if I can get the up in there. Slides right over top. Greatest of ease. And the way I cut them, they were actually it wasn't quite deep enough, so I had to take a screwdriver, like a flathead screwdriver, and just chisel out some of it. But I made it work. The first one was a tough one, but we'll wrap down, down, down. And the amount of heat cable that I got will do five tubs. And I'm gonna heat that. I just got a little thermostat. Nothing much. I use it on my other ones. So there, yeah. That's how I'm heating it. And I'll be getting some more heat cable and the rest of the shelves soon. Until then, I'm not going to be using it. I want to make sure it's completely done. Then I'm going to test it out for a day, make sure nothing catches on fire. Yeah, I'm hoping, I'm going up to the Hamburg show on the 24th. I'm hoping that one of the retailers right there will have some more heat cable. I picked this up at one of our local heat retailers, and so it's definitely easier than ordering it online, paying for shipping and handling, and then wait a couple days to get it. I'm too impulsive for that. Alright guys, just want to show you that update. Take care.